ethics-based question, and this question specifically discuss about child labor. You see, lots of countries have different rules and regulation based on child labor, but globally, it is a phenomena that if child age is beyond 14 years, he or she can work in specific areas. So let's see which one is the right ethical answer. Option number A says, do not bid for the project. I believe, as every country has specific requirements, and your project technically does not need to hire child labor, so there is no need to reject the project or don't go in that country. So option number A is not the right answer. Option B says, convince the government to adhere to international standards or global standards. For your project, they are not going to listen to you. It's out of the question. So option number B is also not right answer. Option number C says, do not hire child labor. That is perfect. Do your project and do not hire child labor. It's perfectly fine for your project. So this is the right answer. And option number D says, utilize child labor if required. Don't use it. If your project does not need it, why you are hiring the child labor, and your project says it's not mandatory. So option number D is also not the right answer. Thank you. Those who have answered it correctly through ethical mindset, congratulations. For others, I hope it helped.